Hi, I'm Angela Sweeney with Lord Structural Adhesives, and today I'm going to show you how and where our structural adhesives are used. So here we have a demo piece of a dry freight cargo van. It showcases a lot of our top selling products in the industry. So first, we have here bonded with our 852 acrylic adhesive, our sheet to post. The acrylic, this 852, is our newest acrylic adhesive. It was designed for increased impact resistance, heat resistance, as well as environmental. Next, we have our sidewall bonding. This is typically a composite panel, composite with aluminum. Overlapping joint using our 400 series. Our 400 series is our most popular product. It's sold all over the world for bare metal bonding. It can also cross bond with plastics, and it's also used for bonding both before and after paint. Down here we have diamond plate. This is typically used for aesthetic purposes. It can be bonded with our max lock, which is used for increased peel. It also has increased shear strength as well. And it's great on galvanneal and galvanized, which is typically what the diamond plate is made out of. Last, we have our 7610 DTM. This is our single component seam sealer. It's used to bond before and after paint, and it's also sandable and paintable. For more information, please visit us at lord.com.